What's up, meatheads? Coach MANdler here, Team Swole Patrol. Inside today's Flex Friday routine, I'm going to share with you some next level tricks that you can take with you to the gym and implement right now that will instantly alleviate a lot of the anterior shoulder pain that's making the barbell bench press a living nightmare for a lot of you. Now, based off of what I see a lot of these days inside the gym and discussions I've had with countless orthopedic surgeons, physical therapists, and athletic trainers, many of the shoulder injuries caused by the flat bench press are 100% preventable. It's really unfortunate, but a lot of bodybuilders and a lot of recreational lifters these days are completely ditching the barbell bench press, usually replacing it with either a dumbbell bench variation or a chest press machine because of the problems they experience with it in the anterior part of their shoulder. Now, instead of just avoiding the exercise and not being able to take advantage of the bounty of glorious benefits it can offer you, I'd like to encourage you to take a more proactive and logical approach. Personally, I think that means addressing head-on the reason you're experiencing that pain in the first place. And in today's routine, I'm going to show you a few things you can do to address the underlying issues you're experiencing this pain so that you can get back under the bar and start seeing the awesome gains in size, strength, and muscularity that it can and most definitely will quickly deliver to you when you address these underlying issues that are the root of the problem. Hey man, thanks for checking out today's Flex Friday tips and routine. If you enjoyed it and want more videos like this geared towards showing you the simple lifting hacks that will instantly alleviate joint and muscle pain while simultaneously boosting the speed and degree of both your size and strength gains, let me know by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and leaving whatever suggestions you have for future videos like this in the comment section below. Remember, doing that gives me a far better idea on the different ways I can best help you guys. And at the end of the day, getting you better, faster, and more pain-free gains is my #1 objective as your coach. So drop those questions and suggestions down below, and I'll get busy on cooking up a killer Coach MANdler video response in a future video. Appreciate your time, guys. Have a good one. MANdler